It is 8:40, the 8th, or 8/12/26. I just want to go through my back testing today. Just like my back testing session, what I normally do every single morning. Just want to go over that. But right here, we have a B grade setup. Because as we look to the left, resistance, resistance, and resistance. But the thing about this B grade setup is I'm going to be looking for buys because both weekly and daily are in sync. Is that, we obviously swept these highs and we're having a pullback. Price is doing something like this. Boom, pullback. And then I'll be buying down here. And then you guys will just see what I'm talking about. Daily had that pullback with that liquidity grab. I dropped down to my 4-hour. Well, let me go down to the 1 hour. Pretty sure there's a big 3 a.m. engulfing right here. Wait, where is it at? Yeah, right here. Alright, so that's a 3 a.m. engulfing. Big ass engulfing. Going longs. So I'll be waiting. I'll go onto the 1 hour time frame, waiting for that engulfing, which would be in between with my strategy 1 to 3 a.m. and this is obviously 3 a.m. right here. So, and this is a nice engulfing buyer stepping into the market. So we go to the 4 hour, and then we put our stop loss at the 4 hour liquidity grab. I like 70s, 20s, and 30s for my stop loss. I try to avoid 50s and anywhere near 50 because that's where price most likely price would take you out of the market, because I guess like banks and institutions are at that level. Minimum of a 3.5 risk to reward. Let me write all this stuff down. We had a clean area of interest. Yes, we are. Stop loss at the 4 hour liquidity grab. Yes, it is. Engulfing. Yes, we have an engulfing and are clean around the psychological level at 500. This is a B grade setup. B grade setup because if we look to the left, it's all resistance, so we're putting more risk on the table. It's just I like it more in my favor is because it swept this high and this high, and it's having a breakage or it's having a pullback on top of this last high, so that's why I like it. It's kind of a B grade setup. I like looking away when I place a trade because I'm not attached to it as much, because then I just think it's just a computer with candlesticks and I did what I was supposed to do. I followed my rules, so it's a win. So I don't really care about the outcome. Let's speed up the process. But yeah, this is what I just started been doing. I just look away from the screen and then I let the trade play out. And then I'll be like, okay, that was a clean area of interest. That was a clean engulfing. That was around psychological level. Very clean. I followed my rules. I did exactly what I was supposed to do. So the outcome could be whatever. I don't care. And it looks like we're about to hit stop loss. Sorry. So we were wrong. It was also a B grade setup, so understandable. Oh, this market is not giving me any setups. I'm on 2023. It's been like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of 7 months, it's given me 2 trades with this pair. So, would I take this trade? It is a B grade. It is a B grade setup, is because we had a reaction there, and reaction right there to the left. All bullish reaction or bearish reaction. But yeah, as we look to the left, it's all bearish, and bearish. But this is a support, but that doesn't matter. Bearish. So, we did go way past up here, so we're having a clean pullback into this area of interest. So this would be a good trade. Maybe B grade setup, but we'll drop down to the 1 hour and see if our time frame appears. The lower time frame appears. No. 2 a.m. Alright. Does the round psychological number make sense? Let's see. Alright, so we have 900 here. We have 9,000 here. See, like, again, I'm in a pickle. It's just like, okay, it makes sense right here. 900. Very clean. And up here, 9,000. It's just like, bro, like, what do I see? Like right here, if it only said 9,000, then I would take the trade, or I would not take the trade. But since there's a 900 down here, then I can take the trade. It's just like, and if I look to the left, that's using as resistance. Not really. It's using that as support. 900 resistance. I guess it's using support right here. But that 1,000 support here, support here. This is why I don't like this round psychological level rule, is because what I just explained. But yeah, because there's one here and there's one here. So like, which one do I listen to? So I guess I'll stick to my word. Like I said in the past, if there's a support, then I'll be taking this trade. So I guess we'll take this trade. We will take this trade. Not I guess I'll take this trade. I will take this trade. We put our stops at the 4-hour liquidity grab. We'll do 30s. We'll do 33. I like that number. And then obviously 3.5 RR, and then we write down what time was it at. The 1 hour was 2 a.m. The B grade setup, because all the reactions to this area of interest was all bearish reactions going downward. We haven't had a support yet. I mean, we did have a support all the way at the end, but that doesn't count because that was all the way in the past. That's irrelevant. Alright, so we committed. This is a live trade. And then we just get off because we place a trade and we're done. We're done. B grade setup. More risk on the table. Completely fine, but we did have a high peak and then we came straight back down. So you guys probably already saw the outcome. I didn't yet. Oh, we can take profit. Okay. And my chest is really sore right now. Alright, so how long did that take? 1, 2, 3 days. 3. Whoa, that took 2 days. You guys need to be backtesting every single day. But for you scalpers and day traders, you guys, I guess, are taking live trades every single day, which is insane to me. I'm barely taking live trades. But because I took one live trade last week and I'm still in profit right now, waiting for it to hit my TP or hit my stop loss. But yeah, you guys need a trading checklist. If you guys don't have your rules written down, you're checking them off and you're checking them on the screen. Okay, boom. Am I at my round level? Huh, round level. Okay, clicking reaction here. Check. Rule. Oh, did this happen? Okay, check. Did this happen? Check. You need to be doing that every single time. Calling it out, saying it out to yourself out loud, rather than going in your rather than saying it in your head. It's just, it sounds way more clear and way more pure when you say it out loud, because it's a lot more easy to recognize and saying, hey, this is a stupid setup or this is a clean setup, basically. Our stop loss at the 4-hour liquidity grab. Where's the liquidity grab? Okay, it's right here at 88. So, I could go to 73, but that's just not disciplined. That's just, nah. I'd rather go 270s. Gives it a bit more of a gap. So we'll do 76 as a stop loss, and then a minimum of 3.5 RR. Widen this. And now we don't look at the trade. Maybe you guys saw what happened. I haven't saw what happened, but I did follow my rules. I was at an area of interest. We had a nice pullback. Last touch was a bullish reaction, so it was a good trade. And whatever happens, happens. Hit our stop loss. Price just came back into this area of interest. You guys know me. My A grade setup is, I look to the left. If there's a bullish reaction, then it is an A grade setup. And this is an A grade setup, and we just took the trade right here, which was a B grade setup. So I guess I'll be taking another trade which is kind of scary. But when my rules show up, then I execute. 2 a.m. See, bro, these things move too fast, bro. 2 a.m. Okay, let's see if the round level makes sense. Okay, we have one that's... Okay, that doesn't make sense. Okay, that makes sense. 100. Oh, there's a 200 right here, too. 200. That... Yeah. It isn't engulfing. 2 a.m. And the higher time frame does make sense because the last touch was a bullish reaction, so it is in my favor. This would be an A grade setup. We'll do We'll do 20. I mean, that's a tight stop loss. Pretty tight stop loss. Alright, we'll do 70s. Yeah, it's more disciplined, so we're going to choose that instead of doing the 30, which is closer to this liquidity grab. So I like the 77. I like to discipline myself more rather than making it tighter. But it's an A grade setup because there is a bullish reaction and we are going to enter in this trade. We checked everything off the box. You guys probably saw the reaction right there. We hit our T-pre or hit our stop loss. But it was 2 trades back to back, so I never really had that before. Are you shitting me? You guys are witnessing this, right? Fuck. You guys are witnessing this, right? Look how much we got edged, bro. Alright, so we place a trade. It's only been a few days. Oh, man. Bro. Oh. That's some crazy shit. That is some crazy shit right there. That is some crazy shit right there, bro. If I didn't move my stop loss that far, then I would hit take profit. But, and then, you know, the market obviously is watching me. Probably over there. And it hit my stop loss and it hit my take profit. Awesome. It's just because the market is watching me. He's probably over there, like, chilling in the tree, looking at me, knowing I'm backtesting. And he has, like, hackers on my fucking screen. Why would that just make sense? Because he literally edged my take profit, came back down, hit my stop loss, and then went immediately to my take profit. So it just makes sense. The market's after me. But yeah, this is the 4th trade. We're done with the video. I'll post another video, guys. Post another video Friday. Just want to go over my back testing, just how it goes, a little bit of my strategy, just my swing trading strategy. That's about it for this YouTube video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys learned something. If you guys want to, you know, have any questions, feel free to drop a comment, drop something, or head over to my Instagram and TikTok. I'm active on those daily. You guys can ask me any type of questions. I'll answer it for you. And if you guys are interested into my Conrad's method, which is a psychology program, it's exercises you do for a week, and it will improve your psychology. And I'll send it over for free. I'll send it over for you for free if you are willing to do it. It'll help your psychology. It's not some BS. It took me like a month to create all these scheming. I schemed all these rules up. It's a very good rule. It's very good rules. It's very good exercises you provide to that you provide daily. And one of the examples is a no trade rec drill. It's basically when you see your setup form, your higher time frame, your lower time frame form, and your instant reaction is to click buy or click sell. You would not do that. You just watch it play without you. And this helps you with your discipline. This helps you with FOMO, realizing the market will play out without you. And yeah, that's just one of the exercises. But if you guys are interested in that, just drop a comment down below and I'll send it over to you. Or text me on Instagram or TikTok and I'll send it over to you. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Peace.